Okay, here's a quick run through of what a user will see when first entering the app on their desktop. So when they first open the Back Porch Bakery app, they are brought to this first screen where they are asked to either log in or create an account. If they are a business and do not have an account set up with us yet, they can select the create account option down here, where they're brought to this screen and are asked to select which customer type they are. So if they're a business, they'll select the business option. Once they select that option, they are brought to this screen where they are asked to enter in all their business information, what type of company they are, their address, contact info, and select their username and password. And once they have all this information entered, they will hit the save button, and then they can return to the login screen where they will enter in their username and password. They can select the Remember Me option um, if they want to, and then log into their account. And once the business logs into their account, they're brought into their home screen where they have a variety of different options to choose from on this screen. Now, if they are a customer choosing to log into the system and they do not have an account set up with us before, they can create an account by selecting this option. And they are a personal customer, so they will select the personal option. And here they're asked to enter all their personal information, name, email address, phone number, uh, address, payment information, and create a username and password. Um, and then they can select the save button to save this information. And then they can go back to the login screen, enter their username and password, the Remember Me option, and log into their account.
Okay, here is a quick run through of what the customer will see or what the customer view will look like when running through our app. So they, after logging in, will be brought to our homepage here where featured items and recently ordered items are readily available. And then from there, they can go into their favorites if they have some past orders or perhaps some favorite items that they've noted previously attached to their account that they could select here. And that just makes navigating to their favorite items a little bit quicker. From there, they could go to the Orders tab, and here they will see all three main categories of pastries, fresh baked cookies, and rustic bread and brioche that Back Porch Bakery offers. It's the only three categories they have, and they will be able to scroll through options. And let's say they wanted to order this croissant, they can add a another croissant to make it two. They could take one away. Let's say they want to order just one. They could add it to cart here, and they can also add it to their favorites right here, and that heart will stay red, showing that it's been added to their favorites. So moving on, let's say, okay, they got the croissant, now they want to check out. We're going to go to cart. This will give a little order preview. They also added a few other items in this example, but here's their croissant, their muffin, the pecan chip cookies, focaccia, etc. A little scroll bar here will allow them to go up and down and view their entire cart if there is more to view. And they can also favorite from their cart and change the quantity here as well, which will be updated in this checkout window over here. In the checkout window, they'll be able to select their date and time for pickup using this interface right here. They will have a price estimation or a price sum up right here that will show their order total and also their estimated pickup time, and then they can click proceed to checkout. That will bring them to another cart screen where a summary of their checkout information is on the left here. They have the option to go back and edit that, and their payment information is here on the right. So they'll enter all their card information and just how they will pay for the order in general. When they're ready, they'll hit place order, get a nice little order confirmation, and that completes the checkout process. So finally, they will go to account, and here they will have all of their account information associated with their account that they've created. And they can edit, save, and log out, return to the home screen if they want to, but this is basically just a interface where all of their account information is available to them. And up here, They can also return to the home screen that we were at the very, very start. So at all times, if they want to get back to this screen, the very base home screen, they can click up here and return to there. And that is the customer workflow for our desktop version of the app.
Here is the homepage for the business customer. One of the main differences from the business customer interface and the individual customer interface is the pages that they have access to. Since the business pays monthly invoices, we have added this pay invoice page so they can easily access their past orders and then pay their monthly invoices. The homepage also shows featured items and then their recently ordered items. From the homepage, you can go to the favorites page. This just shows the business's favorite items, and a way to add items to your favorite page is on the order page. Here you can click the heart button and these will be added to your favorite pages. On the order page, you can also decide the amount of items you want to add to your cart. From the order page, you can also press this cart button and it'll add these items to your cart. I'm just going to go ahead and add some items here. From here, when you press the cart page, it'll show a summary of the items you've added to your cart. And then you can also choose the delivery date and time, scrolling through, picking the time and date you would like these items to be delivered. And this is just a summary of the items you've ordered. When you press the proceed to checkout, it'll take you to this page, again confirming your delivery time and date, the items you've ordered. And then when you go ahead and place the order, you'll be taken to this confirmation page, just saying that your order has been placed and it also has been added to your inventory, or your invoice. And then also just confirming the delivery date again. From here, if you would like to review your invoice, you'll press review. It'll take you to the pay invoice page, where you can also see all your past orders and then your most current one. It'll indicate whether the invoice is due soon, as these are monthly invoices. From there, you can press pay invoice and it'll take you to this page, confirming your payment information, the total after tax. And then once you press play invoice, it'll confirm again that you've paid your invoice, and if you press review, it'll take you back to the pay invoice page. You can also look at your account through this, and if you need to, you can edit the name, address, login information, things like that. You can also log out of your account from this page, and then if you just want, you can just go back to the home page.